Trade and roads. Every town had to keep its section of road in good repair. People had a lot to gain by good roads, which brought traders from all parts of the empire. We know of a Syrian trader buried at York, where he must have died on a business journey. There was once a Roman mission to China, where traders were already doing business for spices and silks. From Rome to the edge of the deserts, the road was the Roman imperial road. Across the deserts there were caravan trails leading to the mountains. And then the Roman visitors came to another empire, and new roads leading to the great cities of the Han emperors of China. Other caravan roads went from the deserts through Persia to Baluchistan and to India. From Arabia and India, trading ships went on voyages to the rich spice islands of Indonesia. Except in China and India, there were no roads beyond the frontier of Rome. Trackways for men and bullock wagons led through the great forests of Germany. Further east, the horsemen of the steppes needed no roads. In the reign of Antonius Pius, there was only one area where the frontiers of the empire needed to be moved, and that was Scotland. Here the Caledonian tribes had taken to raiding the rich towns of Britain, so the army was called out to build a new fortification, and roads between the Firths of Forth and Clyde. This line was not held for long, and soon the defences of Britain were withdrawn to Hadrian's Wall further south, much of which still stands today.